Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam.
Yeah, my question is regarding men wearing silver rings with many different stones and different types of stones, so many number of stones. Is this permissible?
It depends on the intention. Generally, normal people who wear a silver ring that has a stone or a rock on it that looks nice, looks presentable, without any superstitions related to it or shirk beliefs, this is permissible. It's just a ring, and you adorn your hand with halal material such as silver, with a rock that looks nice. But if there is a corrupt belief behind it, stating that this particular ring or this particular stone brings me certain powers, it increases my memory, or it increases my levels of strength, or it protects me from evil eye or from magic or from losing rizq. This is all shirk and prohibited. So again, to sum it up, if you wear it without any belief that this stone has any value, it's just something that looks nice, there's no problem in that, inshaAllah.